Hello and welcome, Scriptcase enthusiasts. Welcome back to another macro day right here on Scriptcase by Jamie. And today, well, we're going to explore the SC Reset APL or Application Conf, or should I say configuration macro. Now this powerful macro is used to reverse any configuration set by the SCAPL conf macro. This ensures that your application settings can be reset to their default states, and it is pretty useful for maintaining the integrity of application behavior across different user sessions, or maybe after testing specific configurations. So let's dive into how this macro can be used to manage application settings dynamically. So here we are once again with another macro day, and today, well, we have the SC Reset APL Conf macro, and the function of this macro is to reset modifications that have been made to your application settings via the use of the SC APL Conf macro. So similar macros, and the usage, well, it's essential for reverting application settings back to default, especially after temporary changes for testing maybe, or of course user-specific customizations, because all of that is possible, and we all want to know how to use the macro, right? So let's start. SC underscore reset underscore APL underscore conf, and there we have our macro, and just like that we reset all of our applications with this one line. And well, maybe that's not what you want to do. Maybe you just want to reset the specific application that you're working on. Well, that's pretty straightforward too, because right there we just add then the application name right in here, my app name, whatever it is called, and it will reset that application. Now, many of you maybe use this already because it is a pretty handy macro to start a new application, maybe reset that application to its default values. So with this macro, you can do that. And it's pretty straightforward. As you see, we have a few options there to play with and apply within our applications. So I hope from this basic snippets that I have just shared with you, you can see how you can use the macro at different levels, maybe from a single property to maybe an entire application, or even the whole project, depending on what needs to be reverted to default settings. Everything, just the one application, you decide. It is your project, your development. You need to know what needs to be reset. And of course, we have some advanced usages here where we could again add an if-else statement, or just if, say, the user logs out or something like that, then we reset a specific application or all applications or whatever you like, and then maybe redirect the user using the SC underscore redirect macro. Now, if you don't know that one, be sure to tune into the channel every Friday. All the macros are right here showing you how to use them. And as you see, it's pretty straightforward. So this macro is crucial in applications that maybe adapt to their behavior based maybe on user interactions or testing scenarios even. So it does ensure that subsequent users or sessions encounter a standard expected environment, thus maintaining consistency and reliability within your applications that you have, of course, spent so much time on. Do be aware of this macro. It is very helpful. And as you guessed it, that is pretty much it for the SC Reset APL macro. As you can see, it is an invaluable tool for managing dynamic application configurations within your Scriptcase projects, ensuring that your projects can return to a baseline state if needed. So if you found this tutorial helpful, you know what to do. And of course, if you have used this reset macro, or you are using it maybe, then why not let me know? Share your comments below and let me know, or let others know also, how you use this macro, and of course what benefits it maybe provides you other than resetting specifics. Because, of course, that's what it does. It resets your application. And with that, we will reset the channel, and we will be back next week Friday with another macro day. So be sure, or be square, and be here next week Friday for another macro day. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you then.